What's up, Lions? It's your boy Twin Salvador, and in this video I'm gonna be doing an egg hair mask video. And I know I already done this video before. I want to make it again because I want to see how the egg mask would look like on my hair at this length, because back then my hair wasn't as long. My hair is longer now, and if you guys haven't seen that video yet, it will be the first link in the description, so go check it out. So if you guys want to know how to make the egg hair mask, watch my other video. I'll teach you how to do it. But in this video I already got like the eggs mixed up and everything. I put 3 eggs and I poured some olive oil. Honestly, I haven't done egg hair masks in a while. I don't know why, I'm too lazy to do the egg hair mask. It's like a big mess, but I'm gonna try it out today and see what happens, see if my hair gets even more thicker. And yeah, let's get right to it. I hate doing this. It's always a mess, but you know, you gotta do it somehow. Oh shoot. It's been a minute since I've done this. Look at that, guys. It's a paintbrush. My hair feels so hard, bro. It feels like I poured a whole gallon of Gorilla Gel. But yeah, it's feeling hard right now. And once your hair is hard, that's when you know it's time to wash it off. And yeah, why does my hair look so wavy? See those curls? What if I just go to public like this, guys? Like, what if I just go out and like, hey, what's up, guys? This is my new hairstyle. Just put eggs in my hair. It kinda honestly feels thick right now, and it's not even like dry. I'm gonna go shower, be right back. Alright guys, I just got off the shower and my hair is already feeling so thick right now, and it's wet, it's not even dry. Like, for some reason my waves look so good too. Like, just look at that. It looks so wavy. My hair's gonna take forever to dry, so I'm gonna blow dry it to speed it up. It'll take me a long time to dry this hair, but for you guys, you're gonna see my hair dry in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, look how my hair turned out, bro. It got so thick, and not only that, it got wavy, and there's a shine to my hair. Like, it feels so soft, guys, and smooth, thick, just so clean, bro. Just look at that, guys. I'm gonna do a full 360, guys. Alright, hold up and tell me how the back looks. Oh yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks like in a half bun with this volume. Alright, let's get this half bun. Alright guys, this is my hair in a half bun. I'm gonna show you the back. What y'all think about this hairstyle? Alright, that's that. Alright, now I'm gonna show you the full bun. Let's see how my hair looks like in a full man bun. You know what I'm saying? This is the weirdest man bun I ever did. But yeah, it's more like a top ponytail bun. Hey, what y'all think about this? It makes my head look huge, but that's not because my head is big, it's because the hair is just so thick. Because of the egg mask makes your hair thick. How does the back look? Sure. How does the back look, guys? I don't know. I think it looks best when it's just all down. You guys definitely need to try the egg hair mask, man. It's gonna make your hair so thick, shiny. Okay, so what I just used 3 eggs and I poured some olive oil, and then that's all I did. I haven't done the egg hair mask in like 5 months, man. I need to do this more often, make my hair, you know, look so shiny. Do not do egg hair masks 1 to 2 times a week. I recently discovered that doing it too much can actually dry out your hair. So you don't want that. So I'd say perform egg hair masks like 1 to 2 times a month. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I know this video was kind of short. It's just like an update video because like I've already taught you guys how to do the egg hair mask in my other video. So in this video was just like an update, like basically seeing how my hair would look like after doing the egg hair mask at this length. Because my last video my hair was shorter. Like, damn bro, what the heck is this? Shoot, I feel like someone could throw a rock at my head, it wouldn't hurt because my hair would just cushion the impact. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to comment down below any questions you guys have, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Lion Army. If you hit that subscribe button, you're gonna have a lion's mane, guys. Hit that subscribe button, your hair will instantly get thicker. It will look even thicker than mine. Don't believe me? Hit the subscribe button. You won't know until you hit it. And if you guys want to connect with me more, go follow me on Instagram. Link in the description. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you guys are still watching to this very moment, thank you guys times 2. And I'll see y'all in the next video.